If you're applying for a marriage-based green card in 2025, the rules are changing fast, and one mistake could delay your case by months. From stricter relationship reviews to big policy shifts, these are the 5 updates that could ruin your chances if you're not prepared. I'm Zaira Solano, founder of Solano Immigration Law Firm. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly what you need to know before you file your applications. Number 1, stricter review of relationship evidence. USCIS is looking for fraud now more than ever, and the officers want to see real proof that you and your spouse are married for real and not for an immigration benefit, not for a green card. That means you need to build a strong case, and you need to include more evidence than normal. The officers want to see joint bank accounts, joint taxes, joint insurance, anything that shows that you both live at the same address, such as utility bills. And if you have children, or you're trying to conceive children, or you're pregnant, that's a big plus. Don't wait until your interview to show up with evidence to prove your marriage. Prepare that evidence and submit it at the beginning with all of your applications so that you have a strong case built from day one. Number 2, changes to the public charge rule and the COVID-19 vaccine requirement. Great news, under the current administration, the public charge rule is still lenient. Under the prior Trump administration, there was a Form I-944 that had to be submitted with all the green card applications, and at this time, it's not required. Also, under the current administration, they did away with the COVID-19 vaccine for your medical exam for your green card application. Therefore, if you do not have the vaccine, you can still get the required documentation during the medical exam, qualify for a green card. Even though I'm mentioning fewer restrictions, you still need a strong case, and you need a really strong affidavit of support from your petitioner to show the financial stability and that they will be able to support you and that you will not become a public charge. Number 3, longer processing times. Most marriage-based green card cases are decided within 9 to 14 months or more. If the petitioner's spouse is a permanent resident with a green card and not a U.S. citizen, the wait time is actually longer because of visa caps. Work permits and advanced parole travel documents we're also seeing are taking longer, anywhere from about 8 to 14 months. I recommend that you file early, file correctly to avoid delays. Submit complete applications with accurate information. Don't leave any boxes blank or questions unanswered. Make sure that you submit all of the required evidence according to the USCIS website where they list the things that you need to include. And then for your marriage, make sure that you submit as much evidence as possible to show that you are building a life together and that you live together. Number 4, USCIS is expanding their digital capabilities. They currently have the I-130 marriage petition available for you to complete and submit online. Soon, we expect the I-485 application to adjust status for a green card will also be available online. This digital system really helps USCIS eliminate errors and process cases faster. Use the USCIS tool as much as possible to remain organized, to submit the applications that are available, and to submit inquiries that you may have about your case. Homeland Security is really coming through on using technology to better process their cases and to be more efficient. Number 5, marriage-based green card interviews are back. USCIS is now requiring nearly all marriage-based cases to go for an interview. Under the prior administration, almost all interviews were waived, but now they're officially back. And under the current administration, there's more scrutiny, there's more interviews, and there's even been some updates to the forms to gain and learn more information about the people who are applying. I recommend that you stay consistent. Make sure that the information that you're providing on the forms matches the information that's on your supporting evidence and documents that you're submitting. You should also know the basics as much as you can about your spouse. And you should be able to answer very simple questions that any couple building a life together can answer about each other. For example, what side of the bed does your spouse sleep on? When's their birthday? What does your spouse do for work? How did you meet? What did you do last weekend? Those are basic things that any couple should be able to answer if they are together for real and not for an immigration benefit. And lastly, talk to a lawyer. Before you go to an interview with USCIS, you want to make sure that an experienced attorney who knows what they're doing and has a proven track record in immigration analyzes your case to make sure that you are set up for success. We just covered 5 ways marriage-based green cards will be affected in 2025. If you or a loved one are affected by a marriage-based green card case, call or text the number on the screen or click on the link in the description. We handle any marriage-based immigration case anywhere, anytime.